Amadeus Sales and Payments Receivables Reconciliation and Accounting is a state-of-the-art receivables controls platform allowing for receivables controls at the transaction level, full PCI certified compliance, controls over standard acquirer and banks data reconciliation, as well as alternative methods of payments. It integrates seamlessly with your current standard ticketing reservations applications such as Altea and Selling Connect. The solution, though, is not limited to Amadeus-based products, allowing sales integrations from non-Amadeus platforms. The reconciliation also extends accounting data by providing detailed receivables accounting into your current ERP applications such as SAP, Oracle Financials, or any accounting software. The solution is always adapting continuously to changes in travel industry, acquirers, banks, processors changing standards, alternative methods of payments, as well as any new payment methods, where any financial institution holding the airline's money can be controlled through the platform. This allows the airlines to make payment strategy decisions faster and also allows the reconciliation platform to control the payments clearing, providing peace of mind when activating new forms of payments. Let's see how. For the sales reconciliation, in the sales reconciliation moment, we reconcile billed and capture data to sold on the sales analysis report, matching all ticket data to the acquirer and capture data. Any mismatched data, such as unbilled tickets, overbills, or short bills, get mapped to be posted to the pending area. This is a sample of the report matching ticket credit data to the actual credit card transactions captured. We then analyze a summary report containing all summary data from a specific sales period or a sales day against all pending items, unbilled transactions, shortages and overages, differences against the actual billed items, thus generating a perfectly balanced report showing all the debits and credits and where they are supposed to go to. This report is also accompanied by normal interface accounting. From the sales moment, we analyze that any unbilled items, shortages and overages feed the pending area of the system. For treating the pending area, the application is provided to be used directly in any web browser and is to be used in a centralized or a distributed way. The pending area allows selection by type, for example here an unbilled item. By receiving the list, you can then select the actual ticket that has a pending balance. From there, multiple solutions can be analyzed. A normal solution can be inserted addressing an ADM that has been issued, clearing the balance, or any other solution to a pending item. Those are table-driven and can be selected. The solution to a pending item also points to the chart of accounts that will clear that item in the accounting software for the airline. Going back to the sales reconciliation, it is important to outline that the system analyzes receivables based on contracts, taking into account terms, dates, installments, and actual fees that are being carried, thus providing a true reconciliation. This is a sample of a transaction in the system. For example, an invoice that can be queried may contain multiple credit card sales, and one credit card sale may contain multiple tickets. This is the core of the system that allows us to provide the reconciliation always matching to sales dates, thus maintaining the same records that the company would have in their accounting systems. Fees are also accounted, total expenses, And from the sales, we are able to project the future receivables, being them a standard term, simple D+1 next day operation or multiple installment operation, also allowing for the clearing of these deposits. Once the deposits are cleared, they receive a new ID and the report is closed for payments. This takes us to the third and important piece of the application and platform, which is the bank moment reconciliation. This moment takes the projection previously made by the sales reconciliation step and matches the forecasted data to the actual settlement statement, normally done at the same level that the credit card company reports. Exceptions from payments are also captured at this moment and sent to the pending area. This is an example of the bank report showing the settlement from a processor to the airline. The left side contains invoices and the net amounts that are being settled, as well as the total amount in the bank. On the right side, you will see the forecasted amounts, as well as the planned amount to be received and any differences. These should always match. And anytime they don't, items can be sent to the pending area for treatment. As a use case analysis on the application, a global finance manager, for example, would now be controlling receivables at the transaction level. He would be able to analyze aging reports by country, by market, and see balances of acquirers and banks matching and controlled within planned forecasted dates. He would also be able to see graphs and analysis on individual processors and acquirers. For this example, looking at an acquirer and each specifically share by contract of how the processing is occurring. As a global finance manager, the tool allows analysis from a central standpoint of all different markets and operations in place, while providing tools for individual countries to operate on specific items. Additional to the graphs and analysis tools, you would have standard aging of invoices. Whenever you have an unpaid transaction, they always relate down to the individual ticket. From an accounting manager standpoint, standard use cases would be that now all accounting transactions are able to be seen at whichever level is preferred, by ticket level, invoice level, billing level. The accounting manager also has standard methods of accounting throughout all operation types and markets, standard chart of accounts, as well as methods to book for admin fees, cash advance fees, any other processing fees that are applied to his receivables. This is a sample of basic receivables accounting done by the platform, where the system picks up where a normal revenue accounting application stops and is able to distribute and control in detail any events such as payments and receivables activities between accounts. From an IT standpoint, they now have daily reports on file inventory and file monitoring. Monthly SLA reports report on the performance of the service. There's a solid platform in that the IT's internal customers have all their payments requirements fulfilled with confidence that the airline's receivables are well controlled and accounted for. As additional features, data is allowed to be exported in PDF and Excel formats and are available at a download area at all times. User profiles and rights are customizable. Regular data integrity checks are performed, and quality assurance on all processes and file flows occur daily, and thus causing a reduced workload for the airline via automation, making it the ideal system for airlines wanting to streamline and automate credit cards and receivables reconciliations. For your business, choose the Amadeus Sales and Payments Receivables Reconciliation platform. For more information, contact your Amadeus account manager.